What's up, YouTube? Wanted to do a review on the 2022 Lexus GX 460 Premium. Has about 800 miles on it now. Just got it out of the shop. Did a level kit. It's a 2.5 inch spacer lift in the front, and then some BFG KO2 tires, and kept the stock wheels. I like the dark wheels that it comes with on the premium package. Do a quick walk around and then I'll get into it. And I'll start up here in the front. This huge grille feels pretty sturdy. I thought it was going to be pretty flimsy. Definitely going to cut part of that out and put a steel bumper for the approach angle. Took it up to Bear last weekend. It did pretty well. I was kind of nervous about the front end being really low, so definitely going to put a steel bumper on there eventually. You got the 2 sensors in the front for the adaptive cruise control. We got your triple LED beam headlights, super bright, brighter than my wife's 4Runner aftermarket lights. You do have the nice Lexus writing inside there. Start in the front. Got the nice wood panel trim, nice leather, memory options for your seats, all of your controls here starting from left to right, headlight washers, traction control, automatic high beams, heated steering wheel. This option did come with the Mark Levinson 17 speaker sound system, which sounds incredible. Almost no distortion whatsoever. We'll get inside. Hopefully it's not too dark. All right, so starting with the new infotainment system, sounds really good. And this user interface here with the touchpad works really well. It does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Interfaces really nicely with your phone once you hook it up. And you hook it up right here. There's your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, cigarette lighter, heated and cooled seats, your second gear start button right there, center diff lock, downhill, ascent control, high 4, low 4 buttons. All right, let's go through this really quick. So you got the map, your destination, and then you can split screen, so you could choose what you want on this side: music, trip information, climate, or just the whole thing. Got your phone. What else do we have on here? You have your apps for your Android Auto, projection, climate. You can adjust everything from the screen. And right there you do have your 3 garage door openers, which works from really far away, which is nice. Alright, let's move to the back. I still have the wood trim back here, leather, Mark Levinson speakers. I did put the rubber mats in the back just because going up to Bear and mud and all that stuff. Have leather seats back here. And then we have the climate control. You have your rear seat, high heat, low heat, and then your temperature up and down. It does have 2.1 amp USB, so people can hook their phones up back here. This is one of the things that I really like. You get to, you know, if you park in the garage and you don't have a ton of room for the back door to swing out, you could just use the glass. or you could open it up. So back here, this option does come with the 3rd row seat, but you know, I have this cargo liner here and I'm always putting stuff back here. So it does have your power buttons for the rear seat, an additional speaker, a full-time 120 volt 100 watt power outlet, so there is no switch for this in the front. It's constantly running. And the one thing that I do like about this sliding, or this rear door that does open up to the side, is that you can put a table here. So I am going to put a Victory 4x4 table, so when we go camping with it, you know, we can cook breakfast and stuff on it. But the 32-inch tires with the level kit, I think looks super awesome. It's functional. Didn't really affect the gas mileage by too much, which this thing is notorious for getting bad gas mileage anyways, but just to make it a little bit worse, let's go for a drive. I'll show you guys the sound system. I could do a more in-depth video later on, but for those of you who just wanted to see the 22 with the new screen, that's why I'm really doing this video. And the coolest thing about this car is that, you know, it's a powerful V8, naturally aspirated, 301 horsepower. You can just hear it. It sounds good. It feels good. It's so smooth. Especially when you put the 32-inch tires in the level kit, it just makes it feel a little bit more beefy. It's just like the perfect mix of like luxury and off-road capability. Step on it. It just sounds so good. Lexus just killed it with this vehicle. I love this thing. Let's get some music playing for you guys. Turn off the this sound system just kicks butt, man. I mean, when you turn it all the way up, and it's almost like it reduces the bass, so the distortion is super low, but still super clear. So the Mark Levinson sound system, definitely would recommend it over the stock sound system. I don't know what the stock sound system sounds like, but I can imagine that it's nothing compared to this. So definitely worth the upgrade in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think, or if you guys have any questions. I did get about 19 miles average per gallon on the highway. In the city, it's, you know, in like the lower teens, like 14, 15. So let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks, guys.